Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Just another day out here in the garage. So just to get right into things here, as you can see, I pulled the intake off. I was trying to get the car running the other day, and I was having some issues. I mean, hopefully with the map sensor, I don't know. It was running really weird. HP tuners wasn't really scanning properly, and my map was giving me some weird readings. So what I actually ended up doing was, just for ease of pulling the intake off in the future and also having to pull out the map sensor or whatever, it just makes it a little less crowded in the back too. Is I actually plugged this back port here. I just used a rubber granite type seal and then coated it in RTV, and then I actually drilled and tapped the side of the intake here. So let me pick it up. You can see fitting sticking out in the throttle body, or right behind where the throttle body would be. And so what I'm going to do is run a map extension for the harness from the back up to the front, and hopefully that'll, if I have any issues with it reading in the future, I can easily get the map out and mess with it or whatever. It's just there's so much stuff crowded and jammed into the back of the engine bay. It's kind of dark, so you can't really see much, but there's tons of sensors, there's coolant crossovers, wiring going everywhere. What I'm going to do here now is I'm actually going to put up the, roughly just kind of like, get the intercooler where I think it's going to sit, and then I'm going to cut the foam bumper support right there. Now when I got this intercooler, it was from eBay, but it wasn't exactly cheap. It was a couple $100. This is a 31 by 12 by 4, if I remember correctly. Although, the cooling area here from, end of the cooling fins to end of the cooling fins is about 24 inches, I believe. So it's essentially 24 by 12 by 4. Lots of stuff moving around. So, fairly decent sized intercooler. Now, sadly, it did come with a bit of a dent on top. It looks like it should be okay. There's no reason for there to be any leaks from that. I'm going to double check and just put some air in it, pressurize it a little bit, and see if I can hear any air, or maybe spray some soapy water or something around there to see if there's any bubbles. But, so yeah, I'm just going to get right into the cutting and everything, and, get it roughly kind of where I want it to sit, and go from there. As of right now, we have everything cut out. It's looking pretty decent. What I'm going to do is take off this upper plastic bumper support here, and then that way I can get to the marks that I marked for drilling for the intercooler mounting holes. So I got the holes drilled. It's mounted up roughly where it should be. Now it's just a matter of getting these charge pipes on, and then having the pipes modified so that they line up with the inlet and outlet of the intercooler. So I got the pipes fitted up. My buddy came over, we cut them up. Well, he cut them up and I just kind of assisted, and they're done. They're welded up. I don't have them yet. I'm going to be getting them tomorrow, and I actually am going to get started on the bumper here. I'm going to pull the intercooler off, and then I'm going to start grinding, cleaning up the cuts a little bit, and then I'm going to paint them. Now I'm just going to mark off with tape around the edges, so it's not going to look good, but it's just more so as a rust preventative for the bumper support or the crash bar, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so I'm going to get all that knocked out, and then it's going to be time to get the intercooler mounted back up, and then get the pipes on, and hopefully get the car fired up. So I don't know why I was stupid and I decided to put this piece that I painted on first before painting this, because it made painting this whole area here along the top a lot harder with this in the way, but I was too lazy to take it back off once I got it on. So yep, the paint's on. It's definitely, you know, not beautiful, but it covers up bare metal, and that's really all I care about. I didn't do that good of a job even grinding it, but I really don't care. So we're going to wait for this to dry, and then it's going to be time to get the intercooler back on, and then get the pipes tomorrow, get everything fitted, and hopefully it goes well. And anyway, guys, I'm actually going to save the rest of the install and the startup for the next episode. So you guys take it easy. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry I haven't been getting videos up really fast. I've had a lot of stuff going on, but I'm going to keep chugging away, and you'll hear from me soon. So anyway, take it easy, guys. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you later. Peace.